Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Today is January 7th, Tuesday, 2025. It's about 28 degrees, I guess. 24 degrees. Anyways, we are gonna go run a couple calls today. We got a big cold front that's gonna be coming in tomorrow and dumping a little bit of snow. Wednesday and Thursday and Friday morning. So we're gonna try to get some calls done today before all that stuff starts to move in. I really don't want to be out and all that shit, pulling a trailer and all that bullshit. So we're gonna go to the supply house real quick and pick up a couple of fittings that we need for today and try to get this day started. Alright guys, we got that one taken care of. Came over and gave this dude an estimate on some French drains that need to be cleaned out. He's having some stoppage issues. It looks like it goes up under a bunch of bamboo. So I'm gonna come over here probably next week with the jetter and a shop vac and some other stuff, and we're gonna try to, and the camera probably, and try to clean out these French drains a little bit, see if we can get everything to start flowing. He's got some drains that are back by the back door that aren't flowing as good as they should, and he's got some that are bubbling up and some other stuff going on. So we're gonna try to see if we can get some of that cleaned out for him and get everything to start flowing again. I have a feeling we're probably gonna run into some bamboo, more than likely. But while I was here, he asked me if I would go ahead and take care of his shower drain. He's having some issues with it draining, so I took care of that for him with the little baby flex shaft. Pulled out some hair, got everything flowing, and he's gonna pour a little bit of bleach down there, hopefully take care of the smell that he was having. But other than that, this one's taken care of for now. I'll definitely be back next week or so after all this snow stuff happens. And a lot of times down here, whenever we start to get freezing weather, a lot of pipes and shit start bursting. So, especially when we lose power. Back in 2021, whenever we had the big freeze come through here, most people were good, but whenever they started having the rolling blackouts, that's when everybody's shit started popping. And of course the ground was covered with snow, so people couldn't find their meter box, and it just led to some pretty interesting situations. I had a bunch of people call in that had freeze breaks, or they were froze up and were scared that they were about to have a freeze break. I had some people call in that were actively flooding and didn't know how to turn the water off to their house, and their fucking meter box was covered with snow outside. They didn't know where to start digging. Oh, some funny shit. Not funny, but funny. So anyways, also had a lot of people that left their hoses hooked up to their frostproof hose bibs. They thought that they would be good because it was a frostproof. Then they found out their shit busted, and when everything thawed out and they got ready to go out there and wash their car or whatever, they'd go out there and turn the hose bib on and start doing their thing, and next thing you know, they're flooding on the inside of the house. Just a bunch of weird, stupid shit. So down here in the south, you know, people's homes aren't as protected as they are up north. So whenever we have freezing weather come through here, it really fucks things up sometimes.